tried to do an experiment and it did not work out. So what you were supposed to do, or I was supposed to do, is get a water bottle, then freeze it for 2 hours, and then take it out, and then in a plate, put an ice cube on the plate, and then open the water bottle that you had already froze, and then pour it over the ice. And then it was supposed to create this like ice tower from there, because it was gonna react with it, right? Well, I tried it about 5 times. And let's just say it did not work at all, but we had little funny bloopers, so this is what you're getting now. No, it doesn't work. Man, don't try this at home. What did I learn? I made a whole mess. That's what I learned. But wait, I found something. This is the proof that this is what messed up my experiment. A little ice. Okay, so now let's review. We got from, you might as well just leave it there. We got from liquid, and if we put it in the stove, it goes into gas, like you saw in my migas. And then if we freeze it, it goes back into solid. If we leave it frozen, of course. But then, once it starts melting, then it starts transforming into liquid again. The water cycle. See, this was not just an excuse for me to make a bigger mess. It's science. It's science. Alright, now we're gonna get our mop. We're gonna try to do this with one hand. And you don't just go like that, okay? You go sweep, sweep. So even though we didn't get the results from the experiment that we actually wanted, we still managed to do a lesson out of that, which I'm very proud about. Okay, so basically we had the water bottle, right? The water bottle was in a liquid state. The liquid state was changed into a solid state whenever we put it in the freezer. Now let's say I want some tea and I want to heat it up in the stove. Well, I put that water, that liquid water, that in the liquid state, and once it's heated up, that steam that comes out of the pot is gas. Therefore, you can make your own water cycle in your home. Boom, science. So the point is never give up and never stop learning. Bye, kiddos. See you later.